All right, we got some lengthy ones here this week, and the reason why is when I was, especially with number one in your video, when you got to the fast speed, it's like all of a sudden the control just it went away. So instead of doing like an even 1 2 3 1 2 3, the triplets, you just kind of started picking fast and then tried to have the down down and the up up happen where that was supposed to be. I think it was like 170 or 175 when you were working on number one that it happened. And then when you tried to end with 165, yeah, it wasn't there. Like the first time you played 165 was good. And then when you went down to the 150 for the repeats, that was good. So you do know it, which is good to hear, good to see. Number two went fine. So we're doing some lengthy stuff because we're doing a bit of review over the different rhythm patterns we've done so far, or at least some of them, the more recent ones. And to help you hopefully hear and feel the triplets better, we got a full bar of triplets and then one of the rhythms. Full bar of triplet and one of the rhythms. But basically this right here is the same rhythm as that. So the rhythm variation is done twice. Here, so basically we got 1 2 3 different rhythms there, all with the triplets, the consistent eighth note triplets in between. And same idea here. This is 1 2 3 variations that we have looked at. So working this up, going to spend up to 15 minutes getting it up to where you can, and then just add in one repetition. Like not going to do 4 repetitions on this one because it's already pretty dang long. I think this is plenty of work. Just adding in one repeat once you get up to the top there. So, that being said, let's get to that 60. A good idea to learn what the chords are first. So, number one here. I'm just going to say the root notes. So B, A, B, A, G, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, A, G, A, G. So basically, getting that down or understanding what the chord progression is going to really be helpful because of all the changes we got going on here. So here we go, 60. Still too quiet. All right, here we go. 1 2 3 4 1 and 2 and 3. Take 2. I didn't do the right rhythm. Need to read better. 1 2 3 4 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 a 2 and a 3 a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 a 2 and a 3 a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 a 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 a 3 and a 4 a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 a 4 a 1 and 2. So, if you need to, just highlight or single out any of the lines you need to work on to get used to the rhythm pattern. Always a good idea to single stuff out if you need to. Alright, let's go. Yeah, let's do 120 next. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2, same idea. Like I already talked about, that's right. I did talk about it a little bit already. Alright, here we go. 60, 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, chord progression. Chord progression first. So this is like the opposite. So the first one we started on the B, worked our way down, and then back up. Here we're going to start on the F sharp, work our way up, and then come back down. So this one, just going to say the root notes. It's your F sharp, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, A, G, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, G, A, G, F sharp. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, a 2, a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely going to be a week of thinking. I just want to pull up the email you sent real quick. Just wanted to clarify something. Okay. So you said you're still working on the solo stuff. Bar by bar. Started making a video of myself doing that. So I guess when you're doing this, doing it bar by bar, like once you've gotten one bar to that 140, you're done. Like the session isn't supposed to be do it one bar, one bar, one bar, one bar, like all of that, and then two, then two, then two, all of that, every single session. Once you have it done, like once that one bar is at the 140, you don't need to do that again. Like you have reached what you need. So I'm not sure if you think you need to keep doing that every single time. Sounds like you might, maybe not. But yeah, just once you've gotten one bar up to that 140, you don't need to do that again. You've completed it. Then you work on the next bar until you got that, and then you work on both bars. So once you've gotten each individual bar up to 140, you don't need to do the individuals again. Then you work on the 2 bars at a time. And once you get all the 2 bars at a time to the 140, you don't need to do that again. Then you do like half of it in half, right? So, just let me know if you have been doing it, like starting over every single session with 1 bar at a time, because we don't want to do that. And if you have gotten stuff down to 140, then we'll just say you've graduated that, you've passed. You don't need to do that again. So, hopefully that will help you with the practice sessions, and it'll be more efficient for you. All right, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.